Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ASP.NET. Before going to our session, if you have any doubt on .NET, please watch my previous video that is .NET introduction. So you will get some idea on .NET and all. So let's start our session. ASP.NET is a web development platform which provides a programming model, a comprehensive software infrastructure, and various services required to build up robust web applications for PC as well as mobile devices. ASP.NET works on top of the HTTP protocol and uses the HTTP commands and policies to set a browser to server bilateral communication and cooperation. .NET is a framework used to create a variety of applications and services like console, web, and Windows, etc. But ASP.NET is only used to create web applications and web services. That is why we termed ASP.NET as a subset of .NET framework. The ASP.NET application codes can be written in any of the languages like C#, Visual Basic, JavaScript, J#. ASP.NET is used to produce interactive, data-driven web applications over internet. It consists of a large number of controls such as text boxes, buttons, labels for assembling, configuring, and manipulating the code to create the HTML pages. ASP and ASP.NET are server-side technologies. Both technologies enable computer code to be executed by an internet server. When a browser requests an ASP or ASP.NET file, the ASP engine reads the file, executes any code in the file, and returns the result to the browser. ASP.NET, which is released in 2002 as a successor of classic ASP. ASP.NET pages have the extension .aspx and are normally written in C#. ASP.NET architecture. Now you can see the architecture of ASP.NET in the diagram. So in this figure you can see there are multiple clients like client 1 to client n trying to access the application which is hosted in the IaaS through internet. It is using HTTP protocol for fetching the data. Microsoft Internet Information Services (IaaS). On the server side, the work of IaaS is to provide the web applications generated HTML code result to the client browser, which initiates the request as shown in the diagram. This is the basic structure of ASP.NET. So let's go into the next thing which is related to ASP.NET, that is ASP.NET Web Forms. With the ASP.NET Web Forms, you can build dynamic websites using a familiar drag and drop event-driven model. A design surface and hundreds of controls and components let you rapidly build sophisticated, powerful UI-driven sites with the data access. The browser submits web form to the web server and the server returns a full markup page or HTML page in response. A client-side user activities are forwarded to the server for stateful processing. The server processes the output of the client actions and triggers the reactions. Now, HTTP is a stateless protocol. ASP.NET framework helps in storing the information regarding the state of the application, which consists of page state, session state. The page state is the state of the client, that is the content of various input fields in the web form. The session state is the collective information obtained from various pages the user visited and worked with. That is the overall session state. To clear the concept, let us take an example of shopping cart. User adds items to the shopping carts. Items are selected from a page, say the items page, and the total collected items and price are shown in the different page. Say that is a cart page. So only HTTP cannot keep track of all information coming from various pages. ASP.NET session state and server-side infrastructure keeps track of the information collected globally over a session. ASP.NET runtime carries the page state to and from the server across the page requests. While page requests, while generating ASP.NET runtime codes and incorporates the state of the server-side components in hidden fields. So in this way, the server becomes aware of the overall application state and operates in a connected way. So ASP.NET is a technology which works on the .NET framework that contains all web related functionalities. The ASP.NET runtime, like the .NET framework, is made up of object oriented hierarchy, and ASP.NET web application is made of pages. When a user requests an ASP.NET page, the IIS delegates the processing of the page to the ASP.NET runtime system. So, and the ASP.NET runtime transforms the aspx page into a instance of a class which inherits from the base class page of the .NET framework. Therefore, each ASP.NET page is an object and all its components, that is the server side controls, are also objects. This concludes our ASP.NET introduction. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.